Hey everyone, in today's video, we will show you how to use NordVPN's dedicated IP, also called a static IP, to get a private and consistent IP address. This is helpful for logins, online banking, remote work, and avoiding IP blocks. A NordVPN dedicated IP is a unique static IP address assigned just to one user, so it is not shared with anyone else. It gives us the privacy benefits of a VPN and helps us avoid common issues like too many CAPTCHAs, blacklisting, or blocked access to certain sites. It works well for remote access, secure banking, and hosting, and is available for an extra fee in NordVPN. With a dedicated IP, we get a unique static IP address assigned only to us, so we have steady access to restricted networks or services. This is great for secure, remote, and steady business use. Now, let's go through the easiest process, so even if you are new, you can follow along. If we do not already have a NordVPN account, we need to create one. To create an account, we get NordVPN. Click on that option. Pick the plan that fits your needs. For example, we will select the Plus plan as it is the most popular. Let's get this plan. Let's wait for the page to load. When we are redirected after clicking Get Plus, we will see the checkout page. Here, we enter our email address. There is an option to use a coupon for discounts and to add extra services. Under Extra Services, we can see the dedicated IP, also called a static IP. We can add it for 3.79 Singaporean dollars. We can add up to 2 IPs to our account, or choose another option if we need more. Then select the payment method. After buying the dedicated IP, let's go to the application. If we already have the application, we install and use it. Now, we log into our account and secure our connection. Once connected to NordVPN, if we want to use our dedicated IP, we can find it in the server section next to the countries. Look for the specialty servers and click on it. Double-click your dedicated IP. If it is already set up, a settings window will appear where we can adjust everything to fit our needs. Having our own static or dedicated IP on NordVPN gives us a steady connection, easier access to some services, and extra security. Make sure to choose the right location and use it responsibly for your browsing or work.